How to add Instagram profile link on Threads app. Let's begin with the video. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you are on your profile, click on Share Profile. Then choose Copy Link. This will copy your Instagram profile link to your clipboard. Next, head over to the Threads app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, click on Edit Profile to make changes. Now look for the section labeled Link and click on it. Simply paste the Instagram link you copied. You can also click on Import Link from Instagram at the bottom of the screen to add your Instagram link. Lastly, hit the check mark at the top right corner and hit Done to confirm your action. And just like that, your Instagram profile link is now on Threads. That's all. I hope this video helped.